Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Reggie Nabors, and I'm here with my little nephew, Carson. And I got him on the Cat 305 track over today. I'm starting him out young, teaching him how to pick up, move stuff and all that. He's been on here a few times, so he's wanting to learn it real good and everything. His uncles, his daddy, all of us does construction work, so we're gonna let him play around on the track going and move that pile over there, rest that pile over here, and just play around with it. Get used to feeling for the machine. Ain't it right, Carl?
Okay.
Go ahead with it. It's on you now.
I can even put the lever there.
If you need to, remember your blade over there if you need to put your blade down. Remember to go down. Yeah, push it out. See that? You got it. If you got a little bounce to it, let your blade down a little bit more. Alright, see how close you're getting to the ground? You got a little more bounce, let your blade down a little bit more and you get it. Remember when you use your thumb too, you can turn that bucket, throw that bucket into it at the same time. And then you got your little lever for your thumb there, remember? Yeah. There you go. Use your thumb too, remember? Pick it up too much if you got a little pressure on it. Yeah, there you go. And roll your thumb in. Remember, look, your bucket, turn your bucket in to the right. Okay? That helps you pick stuff up. See? There you go. There you go. Shaking the dirt off of it.